most of the people on social media, they're asking questions why Connie Ferguson, she didn't attend Priestley's funeral or memorial service. Just because every celebrity was there, you understand? Even Sindiswa Hlatu, she was at funeral, but she doesn't have a speech at the funeral. Guys, Connie Ferguson, she is a producer, you understand? Because the guys, she is a producer and DSTV knows her. Everyone knows her, but we didn't see her photo because some of the people says she was at she attended memorial service, but people they don't see her. Maybe she was busy because some of the people they contribute something or maybe money or something because the Priestley supports Connie Ferguson when Shona Ferguson passed away on 2021. You understand? Cobreeze was supporting Connie Ferguson. So people they're asking questions why Connie Ferguson she didn't attend because Connie Ferguson and Sindiswa Hlatu, they are friends. You understand? They worked together at the river and the Queen. So they're asking questions why Connie Ferguson she didn't attend. You understand? Maybe she was busy because Connie Ferguson now she is shooting Kings of Joburg season 3. They are shooting Kings of Joburg season 3. Maybe she was busy. You understand? Because the people were shooting Kings of Joburg season 3, they are not at the funeral. Even Tembisite, Solisa Kaluva, they are shooting Kings of Joburg season 3. That's why you didn't saw those people, even Connie Ferguson, because they are busy. Because Netflix sometimes is very busy. They are working even at weekends. They are very tired. That's why you didn't see Connie Ferguson, because Connie Ferguson and Cobreeze, they are friends. You understand? They support each other. Even Cobreeze supports Connie Ferguson when Shona Ferguson passed away in 2021.